Look here, what a beautiful question. Welcome to Math with Teacher MJ. In this video, I'm going to solve this nice Olympiad question. But before I start the solution, feel free, pause the video, think about the question, try to solve it, and at the end, compare your answer with my solution. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and get started. But let's come back to the question. The question says, find the value of x, y, z, w, and u while we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equations. But what should we do to solve this type of question? Right, the question looks complicated, but do not worry. Today, I'm going to teach you a very simple trick to solve this type of question in few seconds. Right, you need few seconds to solve this type of question. But what is this trick? Look, we have 5 equations, 5 variables. It is enough. We add them together. Right, just addition, nothing more, nothing less. We add them together. But how can we add them together? Look, we need to add all x together, all y together, all z together, all w together, all u together. At the end, 6, 12, 24, 48, and 96 together. But how many x do we have here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x. Let me write it here. 6x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6w, 6y plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6z plus 6w plus 6u equals 6 plus 12 plus 24 plus 48 plus 96 equals 186. What is the next step? Let me take factor out of 6 from every term. It's gonna be 6 times x plus y plus z plus w plus u equals 186. Both sides divide by 6. What's the result? The sum of all variables, which means x plus y plus z plus w plus u equals 186 divided by 6 equals 31. And this is the first information that we need to use it. X plus y plus z plus w plus u equals 36. Let me keep it here. Which means the sum of x, y, z, w, and u equals 31. Can you guess the next step? Look, in every equation, we have the sum of the variables. For example, in the first one, 2x equals x plus x, right? If we put away 1x, it's going to be x plus y plus z plus w plus u equals 6. The sum of x plus y plus z plus w plus u equals 31. Therefore, we can say x plus 31 equals 6. Let me write it here. X plus 31 equals 6. The next one. 2y equals y plus y. Right? Let me hide one y. What is this? X plus y plus z plus w plus u. X plus y plus z plus w plus u equals 31. And we have one y. Therefore, we can say u y plus 31. Y plus 31 equals 12. Next one. X plus y plus 2z. 2z equals z plus z. Let me hide one z. It's gonna be x plus y plus z plus w plus u equals 24. As you know, the sum of all variables equals 31. Therefore, we can say z plus 31. equals 24. Next one, x plus y plus w plus z plus 2w. 2w equals w plus w. Let me hide one of them. X plus y plus z plus w plus u equals 31. So I can write w plus 31 equals 48. And the last one, x plus y plus z plus w plus 2u. 2u equals u plus u. Let me hide one of them. The sum of x plus y plus z plus w plus u equals 31. So I can write u plus 31 equals 96. Now let's calculate the value of x, y, z, w, and u. X plus 31 equals 6. What's the value of x? 31 minus 6 equals negative 25. Right, this is the value of x. X equals 25. Next one, y plus 31 equals 12. So y equals 12 minus 31. 12 minus 31 equals 19 negative. So the value of y equals negative 19. Next one, z plus 31 equals 24. So we can write z equals 24 minus 31. 24 minus 31 equals negative 7. So the value of z equals negative 7. Next one, w plus 31 equals 48. So we can write w equals 48 minus 31 equals 48 minus 31 equals positive 17. So the value of w equals 17. And the last one, u plus 31 equals 96. So we can write u equals 96 minus 31 equals 65. Therefore, the value of u equals 65. X equals 25. Negative. Y equals negative 19. Z equals negative 7. W equals 17. And U equals 65. And this is the answer of this beautiful question.